Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEWA70, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's first unlock the device and let's go to the Muviz application. Here we have selected this stem. For example, we can switch it to another one, for example to this one. Click here to apply. We can change here the backgrounds of the stem. For example, can apply these backgrounds. We can also change the time to hide the music controls here. We can also turn on or turn off the incoming notifications, the date, and the battery status here. So we can use it always while they were charging, or just to don't show it. The battery status here, if we'll just switch, if we'll switch the AOD to the settings and go to the always on display here, we can also change the AOD feature to show it on lock screen, or like from always while the device charging, and when we'll play the music we can also use them just separately. These two features. Here we can also switch the screen timeout from 1 minute just to never. We can decrease or increase the brightness level. We can close also AOD by a single or double tap on the lock screen. And for example, if you just have set it up your fingerprint to the scanner here on the back side of your device, you can also just activate this feature to close it with the fingerprint. And if you want, we can set a schedule here, the start and the end time of the always on display feature on your BLACKVIEWA device. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our smartphone. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.